The scientific name for sea moss or Irish moss is Chondrus crispus. Across Jamaica, Irish moss holds a claim as an exceptional seaweed and is hailed for its ability to increase male libido and fertility. A 2021 study conducted on the health benefits of seaweed's consumption by researchers from the Marine and Environmental Sciences Center at the University of Coimbra in Portugal noted that seaweeds are considered a nutrient-rich food.
If I put in water, it float. Now float away. When you come visit,
this is a green one.
freshly.
So this is a salty.
You can't taste piece, you know, you just break off a little piece and chew it if you want, you know.